Tired of your charging cables fraying or slipping out of place? Imagine a simple accessory that not only protects your iPhone or iPad cables but also adds a splash of personality. Bytes cable protectors are exactly that: cute, practical, and built to keep your cables safe and stylish. What makes Bytes stand out? These tiny cable decorations fit snugly on your original USB and Lightning charger cables, measuring between 2 centimeters to 5 centimeters long. Crafted from durable PVC, they offer long-lasting protection against everyday bending and wear. No more worrying about your cables breaking or getting tangled. Plus, their secure grip means they won't slip off, giving you peace of mind every time you plug in. But Bytes aren't just about protection, they add personality too. These adorable accents help you easily distinguish one cable from another, which is perfect for busy households or offices. They also make thoughtful gifts or party favors that everyone will appreciate. Whether you want to brighten up your workspace or keep your cables organized, Bytes are a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference. One user shared how Bytes saved their headphones from damage by preventing awkward bends, adding stability when propping up their phone. This real-world benefit highlights why Bytes are more than just cute, they're practical and reliable. If you're looking for a small investment that extends the life of your expensive cables and accessories, Bytes are worth a look. Ready to protect your cables while adding a bit of charm? Grab your favorite Bytes today and enjoy cables that last longer, look better, and stand out from the crowd. Try them when you're ready to make cable care effortless and stylish.